Christmas at my grandma's house was all about the food. She'd work for days in advance planning her menu. And when we arrived, the table had become this never-ending supply of Santa sugar cookies, dipped pretzels, and pecan pie. For so many of us, the Christmas season is held together by recipes that are handed down from generation to generation. But most years, by December 26th, my body feels gross from all the sugar. My pants don't fit right, and all that sounds good is a veggie salad. What I mean to say is, at some point, too much of a good thing becomes a bad thing really fast. And the more I think about it, I realize that's a really good metaphor for how we as a culture celebrate Christmas. The more we get of it, the more satisfied we'll be, right? Well, Jesus knew the true cravings of his followers' hearts. In John chapter 6, the Lord had miraculously fed a hillside of people by multiplying a few pieces of bread and fish. But now, as Jesus moved on to spread the good news of the Father's love, the mob followed because of what Jesus had done, and eventually they grew impatient and angry. They wanted food and they wanted it now. But Jesus wanted to give them something better than a piece of fish or a Santa sugar cookie. Jesus said to them, "I am the bread of life, and whoever comes to me shall not hunger, and whoever believes in me shall not thirst." He was saying, look, I know your stomach is rumbling, but that's temporary. What I really want to give you is what you need for the rest of your life. It's your salvation and wholeness and joy and peace. All the good things that you're really craving that's found in me, not in your next meal. Christmas brings out our cravings, doesn't it? For me, the season isn't complete without a peppermint latte and cookie decorating with my kids, and lots of stretchy pants. But Jesus dares us to trade in our stomach rumblings for bread that will sustain us the rest of our lives.